Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be starting up the Forester. Hopefully it runs alright. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it is Friday night. During the week I picked up a spline set so I could do the Volkswagen's rear brakes. Unfortunately the front brakes haven't arrived yet. They had to come from Sydney, so they are in Melbourne, so I'll probably get them Monday, Tuesday next week. Also throughout the week picked up a new battery. It was 25% off, so I thought why not, I need it. So it's sitting in the back of the Forester, so let's go hook that up. Already sitting in there. Oh. Let's get these off. Get you off. Come on. There we go. Put you on. And you on. Make sure that's the right way. Yes, it is. It's exactly the same battery as what I've got in the Skyline. The one that is in the Skyline is actually from the Forester, if you didn't know. So, I think it was like 640 cold crank. So, normally it's like 520 or something like that. Anyway. We'll get the 13 and we'll nip that up. Alright, all done. Got my co-driver helping me. I'm going to unplug the airflow meter and see if it starts. Okay. What do you reckon? Yeah. Alright guys, airflow meter is unplugged, so if that's playing up, well, it should run without it plugged in. It should idle, so we'll see how we go. A bit rough on cold start because I don't have TGVs, so it's only alright. A lot better than the other week. Got 2 co-pilots now. Yeah. Make it loud. Co-pilot Molly. Let's do this. Co-pilot Liam. Flashing power, so that means the trans fluid is low, so I still need to do that. So I've got to clean the airflow meter. That's probably what the issue is. Yep, the transmission fluid was just on the dipstick. It was like there when it should be there. So yeah, started up, had a crappy cold start, which it normally does, but it ran fine after that. So I'll take that off and clean it. And yeah, put some more fluid in it right now. Right, so I put 2 funnels worth of fluid in, and might do another one actually. Remember, I do have that cooler at the front too, so flashing. Can feel it going into gear now, so that's good. So I'll leave it for a bit. I'll come out later and keep filling. Just let it settle. Alright guys, it's actually the next morning. I fell asleep putting Mally to bed, and I was just thinking this morning, I haven't actually tightened up the lug nuts on the Forester since dropping it down and nipping him up, so we'll do that. We'll get into the airflow meter. Oh dear. That's bad. Jeez, look at the wheel didn't fall off. Maybe that's why in the photos it looked like I had so much camber. After I go for a drive, I'll test them again. Glad I didn't go out for a sneaky drive then. Both front wheels were pretty bad. Alright, let's have a look at the airflow meter. What are you doing, Ez? Wait, get out of it. Alright, actually just plugged it back in, and I'm going to try starting it. Just make sure it wasn't because there was low voltage, that it wasn't starting properly. And yeah. Definitely airflow meter. Oh, cold start again. Airflow. Alright. So get it out and see how it is. Because last night I started it up without it connected and it ran smooth. I even revved it too without it connecting. So airflow meter. I got bird poo on my nicely polished headlights. Great. She needs a bath. And to stretch her legs out too. Damn it. I got polish on that. It's got white spots all over it now. Alright, took this piece off because this one here is a bit hard to get off. Thought I'd just leave it. And that'll probably end up popping off because it doesn't have a bead on it. But let's get the airflow meter out, the sensor out, and clean it up. Get the light on. If you can see, but she's pretty dirty. Alright guys, cleaned it up. It idled fine. It's getting warm, but you can rev it a little bit and then it just stalls out. So pretty much thinking I'm at the point where it needs to be tuned. It's just looking at the air fuels and was just holding on steady like 2.5, and it was just bouncing around all over the place. But you can see a bit of water coming out of the back of this, or condensation, so it's leaking. And you can see it's a bit rusty down there too, so we need to fix that. But clean the airflow meter and it's working better, so it's good. I would like to get it out and just maybe putt down the road if I can. Alright guys, I'm actually going to finish this episode here. I'm going to save the drive for next episode. I'll do a startup for you, but that's going to be it. So yeah, a little bit rough on startup, but like I said before, I don't have TGV, so it's always going to be rough on startup. But yeah, there we have it. She runs. Definitely needs a tune, but maybe tomorrow I'll get it out and go up and down the street. But that'll be probably next episode. I'll probably get the Volkswagen in here tonight and do the re-brakes. But yeah, if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.